Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the shared album problem on your iPhone. So, go ahead and open your iCloud, tap on iCloud, and now tap on Photos. So, as you're in the Photos app, the Photos tab, you're gonna see shared albums. You're gonna want this on. If it is on, you might want to turn it off and turn it on back again. And if that doesn't work, I think it has something to do with a way bigger problem. So, as you can see, I have 3 GB, but yours might be a little too low to have shared albums. Now, how do you fix this? You can either delete photos in your iCloud, or you can go back to iCloud and tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. Once you do that, you can get up to 2 terabytes of storage, share it with your family, private relay, hide your email, and HomeKit secure video. So iCloud Plus is very helpful when it comes to iCloud stuff. And I don't think it's expensive, but I'm not really sure because I don't know the price. But it does seem like a very good deal. So good luck to you if you ever choose it. And that's all I have for this video. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.